Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Resourceful Living Homestead. I sprinkled out the other day some wildflower seeds out here, and I thought it was going to rain, and it hasn't rained yet. So I think I'm just going to spray it out some with the water hose and just kind of give it a little bit of water. Just gonna water it in a little bit. I put rabbit manure out here on top of the wildflower seeds. So just gonna kind of water it in a little bit. Nothing crazy, just a little bit of light water. Trying to get wildflowers to grow out here in these rocks. Not sure if it's going to work or not, but we'll see. I'm hopeful that the rabbit manure will help acclimate it. I want to thank ZJPHANER for sponsoring today's video of watering in the wildflowers. They sent me this water hose reel, this retractable water hose reel that's going to make it so nice for watering things like this and for watering flowers that don't have an irrigation system set up in it. I don't have the retractable water hose reel mounted yet because I'm not sure where I'm going to mount it, but it's really nice to have a water hose inside of a reel that's retractable. That's going to be super handy on the homestead. Got a spray nozzle with 10 different settings: cone, soaker, mist, flat, angled, shower. I've got it on the cone right now. Sprays really nice. This is perfect for watering in the wildflower seeds. Amazing. And I love that you can mount it We're not sure. We're going to be putting in another frostless faucet closer to the rabbit hutch, and I think we're going to mount it in that spot. But it comes with a 100-foot hose. So 100 feet of water hose that'll retract into a reel. It's amazing. I love it. I've been wanting one of these. It's going to be so handy here on the homestead. Nozzle with a thumb button. You just push up and down to turn it off. Because I don't have it mounted yet, comes with a mounting bracket. You mount on a wall here, comes with all the bolts that you need for it. And then this part right here slides up and it'll lock into place. It's got a handle on top to carry it around for when you're getting ready to maneuver it. And then to track it back into the reel, you just simply tug on it from where you're at. And it's got a stopper on it so it doesn't go any further than that. So the rest of the water hose does not go into the reel. With it mounted on the wall, it'll make it strong and sturdy. And you just simply pull it out, water what you need to water, and then let it retract back in. So they are the sponsor for today's video. Thank you for reaching us to do this review on this product. I love it already. If you're interested in purchasing this garden hose 100-foot retractable reel, you can find this in our Amazon store, off-grid solar section, and the gardening section. There'll be a link in the description that'll take you straight to our Amazon store. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.